Good morning, friends and fellow Disney fans from the Polynesian Resort. Today we are going to be checking out the resort and doing a full overview. So if that is something you are interested in, come along. Hi guys from Disney's Polynesian Village, yay! Today we are going to be doing a full overview of the resort, but first let me tell you a little bit about the channel. My name is Jamie Thomas. I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. I'm here to help you get the most out of your next Disney vacation. If you are interested in booking with me, my services are completely free, and you can find all of my contact information in the description below. Here is a map so you guys can kind of see like the overview. The Great Ceremonial House is right here. That is this building, the lobby, everything there. If you are wanting to be around the pool here, that's the main pool, then you're gonna want to be either probably in Samoa. I actually really like, because we had one time a walkout, so we were right there on the pool. Tonga's also a good area. There's really no bad areas at this resort though. And as you can see, there is tons of different recreation options at the Polynesian Village. They have lava pool party, campfires, lawn games, video game dance party, aloha after dark, that's fun, and then lots of different craft options, and every night movie under the stars. So you'll see this board when you arrive at your resort, and it will have the weekly activities. As far as quick service location goes, there is Captain Cook's. It has awesome quick service food, and you can mobile order it. Highly recommend the Tonga toast in the morning. It is 10 out of 10. It's basically like a French toast, breaded with bananas in it and deep fried. It's so delicious. You're gonna definitely want to try that. So the Polynesian does have a gift shop, so you can get your Disney merchandise sale on. Oh, I like this dress. Polynesian. And there's the slide. I don't think I've gone down it, but my kids loved it. Then let's go check out the splash area. You got another slide over there. Then we have a splash area for kiddos, a few other slides. The nice thing about this is it's all fenced, and there's tons of seating for the parents around here. So you can just kind of hang out, enjoy a drink while you watch the kids play. So this is a nice little jacuzzi spa. It's kind of like a little infinity pool, and you can sit in there and watch the fireworks. So that's so fun. And let's check out the main pool. Right here we have a zero entry pool, which is great for little guys. All Disney resorts have life jackets. Actually, I'll show you them. They're great life jackets. I spy a hidden Mickey. Can you see it? It's right there. Okay, this pool is gorgeous. Let's get a full shot of it just so you guys can enjoy its beauty. Look at waterfall. Woo! Here's another view of the lovely pool. You can see a little waterfall over there. And right there, it's kind of far and hard to see in the video, but the Magic Kingdom is right over there. So you can grab a Dole Whip and then enjoy the evening fireworks, and they actually pipe in the music. So it's a really great view and away from the hustle and bustle and the crowds. One thing I love about this resort pool is that it's all really compact and close together. So you have the main pool, you have the splash area for the kids. It's so family friendly for every generation. Just saw a standard room. As you can tell, it had 2 queen beds and then a pull down day bed. Very spacious rooms at the Polynesian. Comes with all the standard amenities. The rainfall shower head. Under the bed is tons of room for storage, double vanity. We're also gonna go check out the club level lounge. Including with club level, you have access to the lounge, which overlooks the theme park. So you can have desserts, breakfast, and enjoy the view. And especially in the evenings during the fireworks, you can have a snack and watch the fireworks show, and they pipe in the music. So that's kind of a lovely little viewing area. The concierge staff is amazing too. They're really on the ball. So if you have problems with getting in virtual queue, booking Genie, Lightning Lane, they are there in the morning ready to help you get that done. So it's like having kind of like an on-site, almost like built-in IT person who is able to help you navigate that. So That's a huge game changer and help if you're wanting that personal assistance. Okay, now we're gonna check out King Kamehameha Club level. So come check it out. Here's the outside of club level. It's actually 2 stories. So there's lots of seating and areas to hang out. Okay, let's go check out the bungalow. Super excited to show you guys this. It is gonna knock your socks off. It's just the best. The resort has lots of sandy areas, so your family can go and rest, relax, enjoy a Dole Whip, and the kids can build sandcastles and play in the sand. It's super fun. Here are the gorgeous bungalows. So if you are looking for a private kind of little cabin almost over the water, then one of these would be just the perfect option for you. Right here where the marina is, and then you can see it's just steps away from the buildings and the main pool. So great location, and each bungalow comes with a hot tub in the back so you can be hanging out in your jacuzzi while you are watching the fireworks. So we have the entryway there, and then here is the master bedroom with a king bed and its own ensuite. Have double vanity right here, your own bathtub, and absolutely gorgeous massive shower. Look at that rainfall shower head. That's absolutely gorgeous. And as all Disney beds almost at every resort, there is the under the bed storage, which is great. Here's the bathroom, Little Mermaids lagoon, beautiful picture. And here is the dresser with the flat screen TV. And here is the other bathroom. Really cute, single vanity sink, and then the shower, so they're not connected, so you can have multiple people getting ready at once, which is really nice. Then you have your washer and dryer, which is awesome. And then we have another bedroom. This one's a queen size bed, cool surfboard headboard. And then there's a little single pull down that would be great for a tween, preteen, or a kid. And you have Moana in the back there sleeping with Stitch. How cute is that? And also a flat screen TV. Here is the kitchen. It is a full kitchen. You have access to all the amenities that you would have at home, you know, to cook and be ready for dinner. And then here is a table so you guys can play card games or actually eat your dinner at it. And here is the living room. And then here is the sofa bed. Thank you, girls. The sofa bed pulls down to a queen bed. Usually that coffee table moves out of the way and then it will lay down flat. And here is a single bed with the electric parade in the background. So cute. Here is private jacuzzi so you can watch the fireworks. And then you have the patio right here. You can lounge your day away having a drink. And then some more chairs to hang out on the side here. It's beautiful. You can see how close it is to the marina right there, that you can get to the Magic Kingdom. So you could probably hear in the video that it actually has its own personal doorbell and it makes kind of magical sounds. So if you heard that, that's what that is.
Flashback.
And here is the living room. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to take a moment to like and subscribe. If you are interested in a Disney vacation, you can contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or you can contact me through the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.